This is Velocity's custom soft top, and you're probably thinking, Tom, this thing looks really cool, but what is it and how does it work? Now, there are technically an infinite number of ways that you can run this top because of how all the little components come off and on together, but really there are 4 main ways to look at it. Option number 1 is exactly how you see it here. It is with all the panels down. All the panels are connected with quick release snaps, so they're really easy to take on and off. Option number 2 is with the sides rolled up. To roll the side up or the rear up, it's really simple. Come along the vehicle and pull off the snaps. In some areas, there'll be a retaining bar like this. This is the same thing, there are snappers behind it. The retaining bar just helps keep the soft top firm in areas where there might be water ingress. Once you've got all of the snaps, other than the top snaps, off, you'll see that this is completely loose. There is a clip underneath here at either side. This rolls up and clips in. That process is repeated on all 3 sides, the side and the rear. To completely remove the side or the back is as simple as unclipping it again and completely taking off the edge. It is the same process for the other side and the rear panel. Completely unpop all of the clips and then remove them. If you wanted to take off the top completely, there are a couple of extra steps that you need to do. The first step is to remove and unclip all of the poppers or all of the snappers around the entire perimeter of the top. The next step is really important. It is this small retaining popper that is on either side. This is a mechanical latch. It is not like a normal popper. So you have to remove by pulling towards you and then unclipping. This is something that's important. When you put it back on, you're going to want to pull this latch out again and clip back in. You do not want to slam these. They're a slightly different fitment. Why? Because this is one of the strongest parts of the top itself. Inside the top, there is a cage, and that cage is connected to the top by a Velcro sleeve. That's in the middle. It's really easy. It's Velcro. You just pull it off. The final piece of the puzzle then is to remove in its entirety the top from all of its runners. So pull it towards you, either passenger side or driver's side, off through this bar here. Also an important note that the left side and the right side panels are not interchangeable. So you need to make sure that the left side panel goes on the left side of the truck and the right side panel goes on the right side of the truck. So that's the quick tip on how to use Velocity's custom soft top. Now you can go out and enjoy your Bronco, whatever the weather.